Exactly. That's the position of the God part. Now, if one goes up and down, one to the right, one to the left, something like that, four parts because of conservation laws and physics. And they saw that. Now, I should add that they didn't see from the LHC. They saw from the left, the large electron posits from the collider, which was the accelerator, the same size as the Large Hadron Collider, which was meant in the year 2000 to make way for the Large Hadron Collider. But they did the same time. It was in the same tunnel that the LHC occupies right now. And the fact that the discovered that came to the date, so already in the year 2000, and instead of using spatial velocity.
Tristan, did you get the ball? Hello.